मैं आर्मी की चीफ बनना चाहती हूँ।
मैं इस दुनिया की सबसे बड़ा डांसर बनना चाहती हूँ।
मैं कैटरीना कैफ की तरह हीरोइन बनना चाहती हूँ।
A girl or woman needs to be aware of who she is, of her body, her mind, her heart and soul. Project Pavitra empowers young girls by helping them embrace their womanhood. It's surprising menstruation is still discussed with hushed voices and behind closed doors in many parts of the world. Project Pavitra educates girls about their menstrual cycle, dispelling myths, taboos, and the shame that is commonly associated with this natural biological process. The program provides complete information on menstruation, menstrual hygiene, safe sanitary care options, and safe disposal. What makes this program unique is the combination of yoga postures, breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques to reduce menstrual tension and pain. The training methodology is interactive and fun through games, role plays, storytelling, and skits. We use the power of technology to train the trainers cost effectively. With multimedia content that leverages visuals, videos, and audio, the volunteers are trained to become menstrual health and hygiene champions. Since its launch in 2018, over 1,500 female volunteers have been trained to deliver complimentary workshops on menstrual health and hygiene. Over 19,000 adolescent girls have had their lives changed through this program.
Through Project Pavitra, we are reaching out to girls and women across the country. At the minute, we are working in over 24 states, spreading this message to girls from low-income communities, girls in orphanages, in children's homes, in women's shelter, at construction sites, housing societies, prisons.
Seva is a very integral part of every Art of Living follower's life, and I have been given a very wonderful chance to take a significant step towards Seva through this project. I am an Art of Living teacher, and with my fellow volunteers I have been taking this workshop in different places. It is usually a grand success because the girls and women come up to us and tell that how comfortable they have become with this issue, with the issue of menstrual hygiene after this sessions, because they feel that they are not alone anymore in this issue. It is a great initiative by Art of Living, and I feel blessed to be a part of this project.
For me, this project gave me really a different sense of purpose and direction in my own life. If I was to say कि मैंने life में कुछ ऐसा किया है जिससे I have made a difference, I would always quote Project Pavitra.
देखिए, एक अनोखी पहल है कि 4,500 से अधिक बच्चियों को मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन के बारे में जानकारी एवं योग की नीति से कैसे वो अपनी समस्याओं का निराकरण कर सकें, उसका एक अहम पहल थी। और मैं चाहूँगा कि अभी 13 स्कूलों में हुआ है। हमारे जितने 2000 से अधिक स्कूल हैं, सभी स्कूलों में हो। और आई वुड लाइक टू प्लेस ऑन रिकॉर्ड द अप्रिसिएशन from District Administration Ranchi to Art of Living for having undertaken this.